Hello everyone, so here is Catizen, and what we want to do now, we want to unstake and claim our airdrop to Bitget wallet. So on the Catizen home screen, we are going to see the airdrop icon. We are going to click on the airdrop. We are going to click on CATI stake. So we are going to click on the amount that we stake. So we are going to select the pool that we selected when we want to stake. So I selected Bitget's pool. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on OK. So what I'm going to do right here is I want to withdraw. I'm going to claim the reward. So let's first claim our CATI to Bitget exchange. So what I'm going to do now is so guys, now the first thing that I'm going to do is for me to copy my Bitget UID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Bitget right now. So for me to copy my Bitget UID now, we have to click on the upper left corner. So I'm just going to copy my UID. You are just going to click on that number, your UID number, for like 30 seconds. So you're going to copy like this, as you can see. So go back to your Catizen, paste it right here. So that is my Bitget UID. The next thing is for me to copy my Catizen wallet address. So I'm going to click on add funds under my assets, click on deposit crypto. Then I'm going to search for CATI, click on it, select store network. So this is my Catizen deposit address. Copy that and come back to Catizen, paste it under address. So I'm going to paste it right away and I'm going to click on confirm. So withdrawals to Bitget exchange, CATI will be sent to your exchange account before September 28, 12 o'clock UTC. So I'm going to confirm it. You can see now, so Bitget UID deposit address. So let me make sure that my is correct. Okay, it's the same thing. I'm going to click on confirm. So make sure that you already this. Please ensure that you have completed the exchange KYC before submitting. So make sure that you complete your KYC before you can submit. Please check your inputs carefully. Once submitted, changes are not allowed. Inaccurate information will result in CATI returning to your airdrop balance instead of the exchange. So I'm going to confirm it after I read all this information. Confirm. Can see confirm CATI will be sent to your exchange account before September 28th, 12 o'clock UTC. So what's next is for me to withdraw my reward now. So you can see now that history is withdraw to exchange. I'm going to click on claim reward. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my UID. So it's the same thing. Our UID is the same thing. So this is our home screen. Click on the menu icon by the left corner. Copy your UID, like click on the number, like 30 seconds going to be copied by that. Come to Catizen, paste it right here. So for me to copy my Bitget wallet address now, so I'm going to my Bitget now. So here's my Bitget. What I'm going to do is click on assets, click on add funds, click on deposit crypto, and search for BGB. So you can see BGB, Bitget token. I'm going to select Ethereum network. So you are going to see here that submit your Bitget exchange UID and BGB deposit address on Ethereum chain to claim. So this is our Ethereum now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy the wallet address. So this is the wallet address right here. Once you copy the deposit wallet address, come back to Catizen here and paste it under address. So paste like that. Then you are going to confirm claim of 0.086783 BGB. Can see Bitget UID deposit address. Please check your inputs carefully. Once submitted, changes are not allowed. Incorrect information will result in the loss of rewards, which cannot be recovered. Additional, please ensure you have completed the exchange KYC before submitting. So I'm going to hit on confirm. So you can see now back to the pool. You are going to see that reward claim processing, withdraw to exchange processing. So this is all for today. See you in the next video. Peace.